Crypto Insane back again with another video. But before I start, I'm not a financial advisor, financial dependent or financial consultant. The information I display in my videos are for informational purposes. This is my journey. Anything you decide should be based on your own research. Okay guys, just want to bring to you another bot that I'm looking into, a Telegram bot. It's called Lukia. Now, I just got into this yesterday. If you have been in these bots previously, you'll know how basically how these things work. If not, yeah, then we can go through it here. There is no website to this bot. It says they are paying a certain amount. So let's have a quick look. Let's go to about. Okay, so here we go. Lukia is a trading bot. Uses complex algorithms to scan a Bitcoin markets. You know the gist if you know about these already. If not, you can see more details here. So these are the plans. So the return on investment is 130%. That's if you invest 0.05 BTC to 10 BTC with a 26% daily for 5 days, and 130% every 120 hours. So the withdrawal is available after 5 days. And number 2 is return on investment is 200%. That is from 0.001 BTC to 0.0499999 BTC. 20% daily for 10 days, and that percentage is returned every 24 hours. Withdrawal is available after 24 hours. So they got a Bitcoin bot, as you can see here, Tron, yeah, Bitcoin and Tron. And there's some more information about their Telegram channels here, like the transactions, which is quite useful. If we click on this, it will bring you to all of the payments that have actually been made. Yeah, so they've got an ETH bot as well and a Doge bot as well, not just BTC. Yeah, and a Bitcoin Cash. So at the moment, I've just gone into the BTC bot. I've invested 0.005 BTC, so it's probably enabled me for that plan there at the top, number 1. So yeah, I'm still waiting on this now. If we go to the balance, yeah, active investments, my transactions, yeah, these are the transactions made and my investments. Yeah, so it's telling me that's my investment and 10 days remaining and 4 hours left until next payment. So let's see what happens with this one. I mean, I'm basing this upon the payments that they've been made in the other Telegram channel. I mean, some people talking about this as well. It seems to be paying. So yeah, let's see how this one goes. I mean, if you want to take a look at this, I'll have links in the description of the video. And yeah, take care. So yeah, this is the Lukia bot, Telegram bot. Take note, you'll need to install Telegram on your PC to use this. I'll have a link in the description as well on how to do this. Okay guys, peace.